Hi, so my name is Amina. I've created this channel to give advice and help people with routine and strategies and things like that. So if you have questions you would like me to answer, just leave a comment below and I will reach out. Today I would like to talk about self-care. A lot of us, because we are so busy, we do so many different things and our schedule are usually full, we don't take the time to take care of ourselves. So I believe with the current crisis, this is the best time to start doing it actually. And of course, not everyone is in this situation because not everyone can find peace and be out of stress and anxiety. So for those who can't afford to do this, this is for you. I think we should take the time to do the things we'd like to do, the hobbies and all the things we can't usually do because we have to work. So things like sleeping and dancing and watching Netflix and cooking, for example. So in my case, I don't watch Netflix that much. This is a great time to discover shows and different movies and and not be behind. Like everyone asking me, have you seen this movie? Now I can say, yeah, I saw it. And that wasn't the case before. It's not an easy time to find peace in us and to relax. But we really need to try to do this because this situation won't last forever. Because we are free. For those who can't work, and we don't have the choice, let's take full advantage of this time instead of complaining. Let's find something constructive to do. A great thing we can start to do is, like I said before, take the time to do what you like to do, your hobbies, and sleep and watch Netflix and stuff. Another great thing is to start exploring the other things we like but we are not aware of. And that way we can start to build new routines and new practices, new things we like to do. So once we go back to work, once we go back to our normal life, we can put them in place and start using it on the regular. So they help us to stay strong despite no matter what happened in your life every day. This is a chance for us. This crisis is a chance for us to know ourselves better, to build relevant routines in our life, and to deepen our spiritual practice that will help us to stay strong every day and to have the tools to fight anxiety and stress and things like that. Because this time is not meant to last, we better take advantage of it. We won't have the chance to have a lot of free time again. We don't know when that will happen again. So while this time is here, let's take full advantage of it and do our best to find a positive in everything that is happening. And of course, I'm not talking about everyone because not everyone can do this, but for those who can afford it, let's do it. For the spiritual practice, like in my previous video, I was recommending some people like Missy Young Levinson or Marie Forleo or Lisa Nichols and Brandon Bouchard. Not everyone is a spiritual teacher, but they give great advice when it comes to strengthening your mind and fighting fears and anxiety and all these things. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, subscribe and like it, and if you can, leave a comment below. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if you have a question you would like me to answer, let me know. See you on the next one. Bye.